Good afternoon, Millersville University. I'm student meteorologist Kate Bettinger.
And I'm student meteorologist Jade Beatty with the short-term forecast and video discussion issued on Wednesday, September 17th.
So, for my walk today, it's my 8 a.m. class. It was very chilly, and then it started to slightly sprinkle. Definitely a little bit of rain.
When you were on your walk back, I was still cozied up in my dorm because I didn't have a class till 11 a.m., thankfully. But as I walked out of my dorm building, I did not check the weather, and I walk out, and I'm like, I probably should have put a hoodie on, but I keep on checking because I'm like, I'm already this far out. Let's just go.
Definitely chillier weather coming in. Now, looking into the daily climatology, today's high was 72 degrees, which is slightly less than our normal high of 77. Today's record high was set in 1972 with a temperature of 92 degrees. This morning's low was 58 degrees, which is slightly higher than our average low of 54 degrees. And today's record low was set in 1986 with a temperature of 33 degrees. Now, looking into the sky cam on top of the John Wright restaurant facing over the Susquehanna River, we see that the sky is heavily covered in clouds and has barely any sunshine coming through. Now, looking at the visible satellite, we see that heavy formation of clouds over southeastern Pennsylvania and covering most of Maryland, but we do see that northern PA definitely has some sun. Now, looking at our radar, we see that all the heavy storms have passed us, but we can still see that there might be a brief shower heading our way this afternoon.
Now, taking a look at the European model for 8 p.m. this evening, you'll notice this area of low pressure is still on the coastline of southeastern Virginia. And because of that, that's the reason we still have clouds in the sky. There could still be a sprinkle or two, but most of that activity will be south of the Mason-Dixon line. Thankfully, as we move into tomorrow, that low pressure system moves eastward into the open waters of the Atlantic, will be replaced by an area of high pressure, and because of that, there will be clouds tomorrow morning, which will give way to afternoon sunshine. It'll be much warmer with high back in the 80s as we move into Friday. That high pressure system is still going to remain in control of our weather. So good news, this week is going to end on a mostly sunny and beautiful note with high again in the 80s. And the week forecast tonight, mostly cloudy, warm, and muggy with a high of 62. Thursday, warm with clouds giving way to sunshine, 84. And Friday, sunny and unseasonably warm, high is 86.
That'll conclude our short-term weather forecast for today. Our next one will be issued this afternoon.